The B sound in bubble. Pronunciation Activation Pack 23. Bubble, B. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sound B. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the B sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the B sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the B sound correctly. Plosives. The B sound is a voiced bilabial plosive made by completely blocking the airflow with the lips and then releasing it explosively. The B sound on the chart is shown in green, which means that it's voiced. Each of the voiced sounds on the first two rows of consonants make up an unvoiced and a voiced pair. The only difference between the unvoiced and voiced pairs is the use of the vocal cords while saying them. P, B, P, B. Letters and sounds the same. The letter B always makes the sound represented by the IPA symbol B, except for when it's silent. Only the following alphabetic consonants have their usual English sound values on the IPA chart: P, B, T, D, K, F, V, Z, M, N, H, L, R, and usually W. The rest of the consonant letters of the alphabet have no set sound value: C, G, J, Q, S, X, and Y. Letter combinations for B. The consonant sound B matches the letter of the alphabet B and has the following letter combinations: B and double B. In some words, the letter B appears but is not heard. We call this the silent letter B. Practice. Bobby Botter bought a bit of bitter butter. Practice. Big bubbles wobble before bursting. Practice. Before begging for beer, buy beer in a bar. Practice. Rabbits bite big cabbages from the bottom. Silent letter B. In some words, the letter B appears but is not heard. We call this the silent letter B. The silent letter B comes before the letter T, but not always. The silent letter B also comes after the letter M, but not always. Practice. The police comb the tombs for a bomb. Practice. We climb from the womb in debt. Practice. I doubt the plumber is so dumb. Practice. The lamb's limb was numb from the climb. Problems for students. There's normally no problem with spelling, as both B and P are always B double B and P double P, though the silent letter B can cause confusion. The main problem for students is between minimal pairs which contain B or P. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at a set of minimal pairs which differ only in the sounds B or P. Resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Crossword puzzle. I've added an interactive crossword puzzle to this pronunciation activation pack. It's available from the resources link at the top left. You can also download a PDF version of the puzzle from the puzzle page. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.